Alright, we're going to be cleaning the back of the Little Wrecker off today. I got a bunch of junk on it because it's become a catch-all. We're going to see if we got all the stuff to put our dollies together, our cool old school dollies. Then we're going to put the sling back on it and kind of clean up a little bit around it. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I got that tow bar on upside down. I'm pretty sure that little strap across right there is supposed to be up underneath on the bottom. So I got it unpinned. I'm going to flip it over. Alright, I'm fairly positive that's the way it's supposed to go. Like that, so that way the straps, they loop around that bar. That bar holds the weight. I think that makes sense. I don't know. I'm new, I don't know what to do. Now back to cleaning the bed off. I gotta go find a broom. Alright, I got as much of that glass swept off the back as I could for now. There's a bunch of broken glass and stuff. Anyways, back's cleaned off. I'm gonna get my old A-frame that's right here and try and pull it out, swing it around. I'm gonna chain the boom up. I'm gonna fold this strap up and in and get my jack out from underneath there maybe. See what I can do. So this is either gonna work or it's about to be horribly, horribly wrong. Alright. Worked out pretty good. I'm gonna lift it up there about as far as I can get. This old hoist will go higher, but I'm not taking it any higher because it's already sketchy as it is. That's enough for me to get that sling, flip it back up and over, get my little bottle jack out of there, block of wood out of there. Only reason why that's there is because this boom cylinder goes from here to here. To raise the boom, it had to have a new barrel built for it, and yeah, that's where we're at. Alright, I'm gonna flip that up and over and out of the way. Alright, it's a bit lower because the hydraulic cylinder ain't in it. But I think it'll be alright just for the way it is now. Now it's time to get that big old A-frame put back up and out the road so it don't cause a little driving hazard there. Alright, that's about as far out of the road as that old thing's getting. Yeehaw. Alright, so alright, so what we gotta do after we get out for it, I sent this cylinder off to have a new barrel built for it because it was so rusted and pitted I couldn't use it. Anyways, I sent that one off. I got to come up with $700 to get it back. Yes, I had the money at the time whenever they quoted me for it, but life happened and I had to use it, and they've been able to get the extra money since. But I just talked to them the other day and they still got it sitting on a shelf for me. And this one, we got to put in there and reseal the tilt cylinder. We got to reseal the cylinder on the back because there's two big cylinders right there. One lifts it, one tilts it. And then we got to reseal the stinger cylinder inside of here. Got to get that all apart, pull it out, put new seals in it. And then that'll be it for the cylinders, because knock on wood, the boom extends cylinder, the one that pushes the boom out, that one's not leaking at this time yet. And then we got triple hydraulic hoses that we need to redo. Like pretty much every hydraulic hose on this old thing needs to be redone, but hopefully they'll hold where I can put the money with it, and then I'll go through and do all new hydraulic lines and whatnot. The winches, eventually I'll replace the winches. Those are only 8,000-pound Ramsey winches. I'd like to have a set of at least 10,000 or 12,000 pound hydraulic winches on there. I do want to upgrade synthetic rope and get away from this old cable, but that's going to be ways down the road. For now, we're making a little bit of progress at a time.